Hi guys, my name is Jenna. Welcome back to my channel. So this is just a continuation of our trip from Siquijor. So on the same day, yes, we just arrived from Siquijor. If you watched my previous vlog, today we are going to Sumilon Island. So right now we are at Sibulan Port and we are waiting for the car ferry to Liloan, and it costs 900 pesos for 2 persons and a car. That's the one, 4-wheel drive. So I was told that I needed to bring my vaccination card and ID, but when I went in there they did not ask for it. But anyway, if you're planning to cross, you just prepare your vax card and your identification card. So that is the ferry that we will be taking, guys, that one. And it's kind of cloudy. From here you can see Sumilon Island, guys. There it is. So we are staying in room 27. Get a nice thing there. So let's go. Chana. We got 2 beds, 2 double beds. Television. We got the mirror. Hey. So let's check out the bathroom. Wait, here's 2 cabinets. There. And then the bathroom. Very big bathroom, guys. Here's the toilet. It's over here. Hey guys, so right now we are decompressing with a glass of Moscato. This is really good, guys. If you like sweet wine, then this is for you. Is it wine? Yes. Moscato 2020 Hardy's. So after this, we are going for a short swim in the sandbar. And by the way, this is the 4th island in one day because we came from Siquijor to Negros, to Dumaguete, and then Dumaguete we took the ferry to Santander, Cebu, and then from there to here, Sumilon. So 4th island in one day. So it's like a marathon, guys. But it is really humid right now. There's a little bit breeze, but it's really humid. So this is new for us. There's a toilet here now, and there is no sandbar because it is high tide. And we're not allowed to swim because there's no more lifeguard, guys. But maybe I can swim there. Look, but there's a current here. That's why it's dangerous when there's no lifeguard. Look there. So we weren't supposed to swim here, allowed to swim because there's no lifeguard, and it's because high tide and strong current. But we are now swimming at our own risk. It was a really nice swim there at the sandbar. Tomorrow it's low tide between 6 to 8, so we are going I will try to get up early tomorrow so we can go to the sandbar. Okay guys, I'm gonna update you more later. So now it's time to eat, and this is their menu. They have pasta, Filipino specialties, grill, pizza, international flavors, sandwiches, salad, dessert, and for the drinks, whiskey, gin, vodka, tequila, cocktails, sparkling wine. Yeah, so this is it, guys. They also have juices and shakes, canned juices, fresh blends, coffee and tea, canned items, domestic beer, bottled water, cocktails. Yeah, so that's their beverages. Guys, so here is my meal. Chicken inasal and with garlic rice, and my husband ordered Hawaiian pizza. Good morning guys, time check, it's 6:20 in the morning and we are walking towards the sandbar. Hi guys, I am walking now towards the sandbar again because the sun is up, so maybe we can take good photos and videos. So this morning when you saw it, it's not much people, and I met a couple now. They went back to their room because they said the place is crowded. So let's go and take a look. Here are the warnings. You could be swept away from shore and could drown. So strong current, guys. There's also beach rules and regulation here. So public beach is open from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. only. Here we have benches for those who want to rest, and here is also a trail if you want to walk around the island. You just follow these markings, but I've done this before. I don't think I'm going to do it today because we need to check out, so maybe next time. We are going back, our stay is over.